What's going on, guys? Welcome back or to the channel. Y'all seen the title, y'all see the thumbnail. Are y'all ready to see it? Because I haven't seen it like fully outside. See, my hands are filthy. I've got cuts all over. We've been fighting with this thing all day, but with that being said, let's get out here and let's take a look at the 6.0. All right, guys, so here we have it. So as you can see, the 6.0 got some 24x12 KG1 Tridents and 35 13.5 FURYS. So big thank you to those guys. They were super great working with, but this thing looks amazing. We step back here, so a little bit different background for today. I don't know how long we're going to be here, but wanted to come out here and do that little cinematic y'all seen and whatnot, and get some little videos for TikTok and all that kind of thing. But anyways, I'm gonna do that real quick and I'll catch y'all back at the house. All right, so if there's any wind noise, I do apologize, but I got out here, decided to try to put together a little cinematic. Y'all probably already seen it. If you liked it, let me know. If you have any more tips for cinematics, also let me know. But I absolutely love the way this thing looks. So again, 24-12, -44, KG1 Tridents, and 35 13.5 FURYS. Things are brand new. Well, not no more. They've got 50 miles on them now. Still got the little nipples on them, but they've got, like I said, they got like 40 some miles on them now, and I love it. I love how this thing looks. It drives good, it looks good, it's just good. So now I have more ideas of what to do with this thing. I was telling my grandpa a while ago, he just come back, and he was getting a haircut or something, and he got out and said, "Hey man, that looks good." And I told him, I said, "Yeah, so this is gonna make me spend lots more money, but it's cool though, because I like the 6.0. I love the 6.0. I like the 6.0 videos. I feel like y'all like the 6.0 videos too. I'm gonna pull this thing around here, get another picture of it, or a few. But guys, I absolutely love this thing. Now we do have another video. It'll be the next one. We do have to do some, or we did have to do some modifying, but now we get full turning radius to the driver's side, almost full lock to the passenger side. Had to get kind of creative with that, but just stay tuned for that video. Did a little more than I really wanted to, but for 24/12s and 35 13.5s on a 3-inch lifted truck, I would say it's pretty good. And like I said, full turn to the driver's side. We didn't have to cut the bumper. Well, we did have to trim that little piece off right there. I don't know what that was for, but did have to trim that. Nothing on this side, but we did have to trim fenders, so wasn't too excited about that. Look at this thing. This thing looks killer, I do believe. So y'all let me know down below what do y'all let me know down below what do y'all think about the 6.0. I have a feeling, I mean, I think today is the 26th of January, and I believe this video is going up the 16th of February, but I have a feeling that this video is going to do pretty well. I just have a feeling, because this thing always does good on videos, and that's awesome, because I absolutely love this truck. But anyways, I'm going to get a few more pictures here and there, but I do got some more ideas of this thing as far as up here in this area and all of that kind of stuff. So y'all stay tuned, because like I said, this has given me lots more video ideas for the truck, and I'm pretty excited about it, to be completely honest. But anyway, pulled the truck back over here next to the white truck, and like I said, this thing looks amazing. I'm super happy with how it looks. And like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, big shout out to Fury and KG1. Those guys were super awesome and whatnot. But again, sorry if y'all are getting any wind noise. The wind is terrible today, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video up for y'all. It's gonna be a lot of editing, but I'm gonna step back over here. We'll take a look at the two. So the 6.0, I love the look. Love the look. I think it looks killer. Something a little different than the white truck. You know, the white truck, total 12-inch lift. We have a 7.5-inch FabTech Stealth kit. We have a 1.5-inch Daystar spring spacer and a 3-inch body on this thing. 22 12s that desperately need polished. 2-inch adapters, because these are 6-lug wheels, and 35s. And then on the 6.0 here, we have a 3-inch rough country kit. At the time, that's all I could find for a 3-inch kit, and I wanted a 3-inch kit to be able to tow the gooseneck down there. But I was actually looking, that thing's going to go up some more, so we can actually go up some more with this truck comfortably. So we'll look at that. But a 3-inch lift, 3-inch rough country lift, powder coated, factory springs with a puck. That whole kit got powder coated, other than the shocks, obviously. The powder coated stuff under the hood, y'all know. And then in the rear, this thing is factory FX4 rear with bags, overload bags back here. So that's the setup we're running on this thing. And then again, the 24 12s and 35 13.5s. This thing looks killer. I love the way it looks. I went back between 12s and 14s, but I figured 12s would give it a nice clean look. It wouldn't be too much, and you still get a nice poke on these. Same thing here in the rear. Again, I keep saying it, this thing looks killer. I like the low and wide look. Now again, I almost went 14s, but seeing the amount of trimming and hammering we had to do up there for 12s, I'm happy we didn't do 14s. Now, some of you will notice the lug nuts. I just got cheap Ikson lug nuts for right now, just to get the wheels on the truck. I do want to get spikes for this thing, so I was gonna hit up a couple different companies, see if we can get some spikes. Y'all know I have the black spikes on the white truck. I think I want to either do powder coated spikes to match the suspension and under the hood, or chrome. So y'all let me know on that. But anyway, guys, I think that might be a wrap for this one. So like I said, there's going to be a bunch of editing in this one, because I'm going to try the whole cinematic thing, see if I can make it look as good as I can. I've never done much of that, but again, if y'all have any tips for cinematics, let me know, because I am filming on an iPhone. But anyway, guys, like I said, I think that's going to be a wrap for this one. I'll get over here, I'll get y'all a side shot of the truck. But I mean, yeah, I think it looks killer. So I do have a bunch of ideas for this, some more stuff that I want to do. Obviously, we're not done with the truck at all, but I think in its current state, it still looks awesome. So I'd like to add some more chrome accents to the truck. I'd like to do some more paint matching. I just got to figure out exactly what all I want to do and what. The blue decals, I'm gonna get rid of those. I have purple ones cut. Y'all don't know I do make decals, but I do have some purple ones cut already. I just need to get them on. I've had them cut for a few months now. But anyway, guys, I think that, like I said, I think that is going to be a wrap for this one. So with that being said, if y'all enjoyed today's video or find it helpful in some way, please drop a like and comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope y'all have a great day.